Hello, this is the unboxing of the Yeelight JIAOYUE 650. I hope I pronounced it correctly. 650 surrounding ambient lightning LED ceiling light, white. As you can see, this baby is pretty big. We'll have to find where to cut first. It arrived in a month from Airbus, and no customs was paid in the EU. Presumably it was sent via UK in order to prevent the customs, but I don't know how they get it into the EU. Okay. So underneath the paper, as you can see, is the original box. It's not white, so unlike Xiaomi, let's just hope everything arrived in one piece. This is what I call unboxing. Really big unboxing. It's gonna take half of the video to unbox this baby. I think I have it upside down or downside up. Okay, so finally it's unwrapped, and let's see what we have inside. Here it is. Pretty big baby. Two stands, which you supposedly should glue here to keep the distance. There is a remote control and some screws. Let's see the remote. Nice. This is how you remove the base, and then you have to fix your base onto the ceiling and just click in the lamp. Nothing else. Clicks. Okay, and let's lift the baby and hope it's whole. So continuing installation.